If you want my blessings and truly love me, then promise to listen to my entire message. At the end, I have a beautiful gift of blessings for you, my child. By hearing my words, all the worries and burdens in your home will be lifted, and you will find happiness once again. Congratulations, my beloved children, for December has begun, and with it, I am sending a flood of blessings to your family. These blessings will keep you safe, shield your loved ones, and remove the weight of financial struggles from your home. This month will be a time of peace, provision, and divine joy. But I ask you to trust me fully, for I, the Lord your God, am faithful to my promises. As this year draws closer to its end, reflect on my love for you. Have I not always carried you through your hardest times? Remember the moments when you felt lost and prayed for guidance? And though the answer seemed delayed, it arrived at the perfect time? That is because my timing is perfect, and I never fail you. Today, I want to tell you how deeply I care for you and your family. My blessings are already on their way, but there are things I want you to hear and do to prepare your heart to receive them. 1. Do not fear. I am with you. Fear is one of the greatest tools of the enemy, and I want you to know that fear is not from me. Fear creates doubt, and doubt creates distance between us. Remember when my disciple Peter walked on water toward me? He was doing the impossible because his faith was strong, and his eyes were fixed on me. But the moment he allowed fear to enter his heart, he began to sink. My child, do not let fear make you sink. Whatever storm you are facing right now, whether it's financial struggles, health challenges, or family issues, know that I am with you in the storm. My hand is stretched out to lift you up. All you need to do is reach out and trust me. 2. Speak blessings over your life. Your words have power. When I created the world, I spoke it into existence. When I raised Lazarus from the dead, I commanded him to come forth. In the same way, I have given you the authority to speak life over your circumstances. Every morning, declare that you are blessed, loved, and protected. Say, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Declare over your family, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Speak over your finances, "My God shall supply all my needs according to his riches in glory." When you align your words with my promises, you open the door for my blessings to flow abundantly. 3. Forgive and be free. Forgiveness is a powerful act of love and obedience. When I hung on the cross, I looked at those who hurt me and said, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing." My child, I ask you to do the same. Holding on to anger, bitterness, or resentment only keeps you chained to the pain of the past. Release those who have wronged you, and you will experience a freedom and peace that only I can give. When you forgive, you make room for my blessings to flow into your heart and life. 4. Be thankful in all things. Gratitude is the key to unlocking joy. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you begin to see how much I have already blessed you. Look around you. Do you have a roof over your head, food on your table, and loved ones by your side? These are gifts from me. Thank me daily for the small and big blessings in your life. A heart filled with gratitude opens the door to even greater blessings. Remember, my child, I delight in a thankful heart. 5. Seek me with all your heart. My greatest desire is to have a close relationship with you. Spend time with me every day. Read my word, for it is the bread of life that nourishes your soul. Pray to me, not just with requests, but with a heart of worship and love. Listen for my voice, for I speak to those who seek me. When you draw near to me, I will draw near to you. I have plans for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Trust in my plans, for they are always for your good. 6. Prepare your heart for miracles. This December, I am preparing to do something new in your life. That financial breakthrough you've been praying for? It's on its way. That healing you've cried out for? Trust that I am working in ways you cannot see. That peace you long for in your family? It will come when you place your trust in me. Open your heart and expect miracles. For I am a God who does exceedingly, abundantly, above all you can ask or imagine. 7. Love one another. I have commanded you to love one another as I have loved you. This love is not just for those who are easy to love, but also for those who have hurt you or are difficult to understand. When you love others, you show the world my love through your actions. Be kind, compassionate, and forgiving. Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. 8. Trust me completely. My child, there is nothing you are going through that I cannot handle. I see your tears, hear your prayers, and know the desires of your heart. Trust that I am in control, even when life feels uncertain. I am your refuge and strength, and ever-present help in trouble. Cast all your cares on me, for I care for you. As December unfolds, I want you to walk in faith, hope, and love. The blessings I am sending to your family will protect, provide, and bring peace. I will remove the burden of financial struggles and replace them with abundance. I will shield your family from harm and fill your home with my joy. This is my promise to you. When you trust me, follow me, and love me with all your heart, you will see my hand at work in your life. This is a season of miracles, and I am with you every step of the way. Hold on to my promises, for they are true. My blessings are coming, and your life will never be the same. Subscribe to the Gospel Connection and comment Amen if you receive my blessings today.